In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create tables in Excel. To begin, open your worksheet and locate the range of data you want to turn into a table. The first thing you need to do is highlight the full block of cells that contains your information, including the header row at the top. This is important because Excel uses that selected range to build the table structure. If your headers are included from the start, your table will be organized correctly and easier to work with later. Once your data is selected, move to the top menu bar and click the Insert tab. This is where Excel keeps tools for adding structured elements to your worksheet. In the left section of the ribbon, click the Table button. As soon as you do that, Excel will open a small pop-up window to confirm the data range you selected. In that pop-up window, make sure the box labeled My Table Has Headers is checked. This tells Excel that the top row contains column names rather than regular data. That helps with sorting, filtering, and keeping your table easier to read. After confirming that setting, click OK. Excel will immediately convert your selected data into a table. At this point, you will notice that the formatting changes right away. Your data will now look more structured, and Excel may apply a default style automatically. To access more table options, click anywhere inside the new table. This step is important because it activates the table tools and shows additional customization settings at the top of the screen. Next, click the Table Design tab that appears. This area gives you control over the appearance of your table. If you want to change the look, go to the Table Styles section. In the bottom right corner of that style gallery, click the More arrow. This expands the full set of available table styles so you can see a larger visual grid of colors and formatting choices. Now simply click the style you prefer. Choose a color and design that fits your worksheet and makes the data easy to read. A clear style can help your table stand out and make it easier to scan, especially when working with larger sets of information. Once you have selected your preferred style, your table is ready to use. You now have a cleaner, more organized way to manage data in Excel that covers everything you need to know.